Across the field I stare. The Milky Way has gone to find you. The wind won't let me sleep. It's whispering away. The longer I wait, the longer I wait. Across the field I stare. The Milky Way has gone to find you. The wind won't let me sleep. It's whispering away. The longer I wait, the longer I wait, the longer I wait, the longer I wait. Across the field I stare. The Milky Way has gone to find you. The wind won't let me sleep. It's whispering away. The longer I wait, the longer I wait, the longer I wait, the longer I wait, the longer I Across the field I stare. The Milky Way has gone to find you. The wind won't let it's whispering away, whispering away. The longer I wait, the longer I wait.
Hello, so nice to be back. I wanted to do this video to share with you guys one of my favorite things to do. And one of the reasons is because doing my work is what puts me back into connection with myself. I felt a little bit pull away from what was important to me due to the fact that, I have too many things spinning, too many things going on, in addition to this wonderful channel, but it's been challenging me a lot. I think the best way for me to get back to my soul is to create. While I share my process on creating my jewelry, and you'll get to see the finished pieces at the end of the video, you'll see all the steps that come along. I'll share a little bit about what's going on, and by taking this time I was able to reflect on what is it that's important for me doing this channel. When I started, I wanted to not just add to the noise out there, but to bring a little bit of a different energy and intentionality. But I had a big learning curve to figure things out. Even though I have a family, my 2 sons and my husband have their own channel, this had to be my own voice, in my own my own journey. And I'm not a filmmaker. The three of them are, but I'm not. So I've been having to learn a lot about how to tell my stories. By trying different things, I got a little bit on my head. I discovered worlds that I had no idea existed. There are a lot of channels that are about lifestyle, that are about the peaceful countryside. And I think that's where my channel is being bundled by the algorithm. But I don't relate to that. It wasn't content I was aware it existed. And even though I have learned a little bit from those channels, I wanted to step away and really make sure I stay in my track and with my voice and what's important to me. Upon deep reflection, I realized something that I've been dancing around, which is internal work, the conversation that goes inside this human existence. And the actions and the way we live our life is just to provoke more curiosity and going deeper in getting to know ourselves. At least that's what I care about, to get to know myself at a deeper level, because with that comes full freedom. The more you connect to yourself, the less the external opinions and the external surroundings matter to you. And the only thing that is important is what you think about yourself, or what more than that, how you feel about yourself in your connection to the universe. So getting back into what I did, which is when I feel kind of like spinning or kind of like a little lost, I go to the sure thing, which is creativity. Either I go to painting or to decorating, or in this case, I jump into my jewelry, which I was missing a lot. When I do my jewelry, I feel so much joy. I feel like a 5-year-old playing with little things. It really, really soothes my soul. It's unbelievable. And by doing that, it kind of eases, my mental anxiety. It's like with a long list of all the to-dos, and just, it put me back in contact with myself. I reflect, I'm about to turn 55, and yeah, I don't have the stamina or the amount of energy that I had from 20 years ago. So I have to adapt to what is now, and maybe go a little slower and just keep focusing on what feeds my soul and what connects me to joy. It's very easy to get wrapped up in the mental drama or the to-dos or the accomplishments, and I think the best way to counterbalance that is going back to what's so important to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because it was really made from love. My spirit was in it. Hopefully, you like what you see. So while I am waiting for my working visa to get approved, I'm working on my new pieces, the website, which I'm working on all that photography. If you are interested, you can sign up. I'm going to put a link below for you to sign up for a notification when the site is finally up and running. There will be special surprise discounts for those who sign up. So make sure you do that if you are interested. I'm looking forward to getting that going, because it's one of my favorite things in the world to do. And of course, I'll keep sharing my projects. I'll keep sharing my journey here. Believe me, it is a labor of love in every stage, but it has to go at a slower pace. Otherwise, I just freeze. I freeze and I end up going into my head, and I want always everything, this channel, my jewelry, and the transformation of this home to come from my heart. I want things to have the right energy, the right intentionality, and hopefully you enjoy it and it's contagious, and we all get to live the life that we want. For all those people who want to get into a more intimate conversation with me about how to navigate life, how to get back into being creative, how to do a room, or all those things that matter to us, I have a Patreon in which we meet once a month for an hour plus. We all exchange ideas. I share a lot of sometimes the internal turmoil or whatever is going on. I get very personal. So if you like to connect with me or with others, like-minded people, I'll put a link below, and I hope to see you there. So with all that, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you did, and I'll see you next time.
Hold on tighter to you. When all this is through, and till I hold tight on to you, we'll just head down, carry on, 'cause what else can we do but get through? And we'll sing hallelujah, but what is that to you right now? But let's talk in a way that can give us some faith to go around. We'll hold tight as we can when it's better again, and that'll sustain me for now. I'll hold on tighter to you, my friend, when we're together again. Together again, when we're together again. And that'll sustain me for now. When we're together again.